Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 mobile data isn't working properly. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on about phone. Now here, click on status information and then click on SIM card status. Now here set the signal strength correctly and after that go back and now open general management. Now here scroll down and click on reset and then click on reset network settings. Now again click on reset settings to confirm.